Hey girls, it's Whitney Nicely, and today we're going to talk about how you can get owner finance deals even in this super hot market. Ready?
This is not just a theory. This is, I want action, and she's going to help you get there.
She's talking business to you, but she's talking to you like you're just a regular person.
Nothing beats being here in person, meeting face to face, and having that energy and that experience live.
You let it out, and it all comes back to you 10 times over.
Think of anything you can think of. What do you people want? Tell me what you want.
If someone would have told me when I was flipping 2 houses a year that I was going to flip 20, then 30, then 50, I'd have been like, I don't know how to do that. I'm barely getting 3.
I bring ladies that are doing deals up on stage so that they can share their success stories. We're doing deals. We are active real estate investors. To learn it from somebody real and to be able to talk to them and ask them questions afterward, I think that's invaluable.
It's made me so much more confident as an investor.
You can do this. Anyone can do this.
If you're already in real estate investing, there is a space for you here. If you're brand new, you can't hardly even spell real estate investing, there's a space for you here. Hey y'all, it's Whitney Nicely from She Buys It, and I am here today to talk about how you can start collecting owner financing deals even in this super hot market that we've got going on right now all across the country, okay? Even in little dinky towns, the market is hot and people are getting crazy offers on their property. People are putting offers out and getting over asking price offers back. It's happening to everybody. It's happening to me. It's happening to my mom. It's happening to the women in First Build and Fast. So let's talk about some ways that you can get some owner financing deals even when the market's super duper hot. I want you to remember that owner finance deals only happen when you're looking at free and clear properties, okay? There can't be any mortgages, no liens, nothing on the property, nothing liened up, nothing stacked up on the property when you're doing owner financing deals. So make sure that if you're trying to get an owner finance deal, the property actually qualifies to be financed by the owner. Remember, owner financing means we're not going to the bank. We don't need a license. Well, we don't need a license to do anything in buying real estate. We don't need any credit. Nobody's going to check our job, all of that. The owner is financing us the property. We don't need the bank. So when we're looking at these owner finance deals, when we're looking at these owner finance properties, we have to be able to make sure that the property qualifies. That's the first step. A lot of women are looking at deals and there's a mortgage on the property. And I'm like, okay, well, it doesn't qualify for owner financing. Now you need to do a lease option or subject to or a wrap or something else. You can still do those deals. It's just not owner financing anymore. Or some people call it seller financing. It just depends on where you are in the country. So when you are looking at these properties and you do find one that's free and clear, this is when it's all going to come down to your offers. If you don't offer to buy the house with owner financing, the answer is going to be no. I know, that's shocking, isn't it? If you don't ask, the answer is no. But if you present owner financing and you've got 2 or 3 different reasons that we clarified in another video up there, if you got 2 or 3 different reasons why that is the best offer for your seller, then you're more likely to get that owner financing deal. You have to be looking at properties that qualify for owner financing. And ladies, you absolutely have to ask for owner financing. Otherwise, the answer is always no, I promise. I absolutely promise. I know you want to be a successful real estate investor. I think you are a successful real estate investor. You just may not be as successful at it yet. So, do something for me. All women myself included, we've got this voice in the back of our head talking about, well, what if we get it over financed? What if we get the property owner financed and nobody wants to buy it from us? What if we pay too much money for it? What if it has a bad septic? Or what if the foundation's bad? I mean, we have this awful called the what if train that's just circling in our heads. All right, I want you to stop that. I want you to derail the tracks and get rid of that train once and for all. For me, it comes out like a scared little 13-year-old version of myself. I'm a grown woman. You're a grown woman. You are a successful real estate investor. So down in the comments, I want you to start claiming it. Down in the comments right now, say, I am a successful real estate investor now. Drop that down in the comments. And I want you to make sure that you say you're a successful real estate investor now, because that scared little girl in the back of your head, that train going around and around and around with what if, it needs to be stopped. It needs to be squashed. And the only way to do that is to convince it that you are a successful real estate investor now. I don't care if you've done 10 deals. I don't care if you've done 10,000 deals. I don't even care if you've done no deals. I want you to start putting that thought into your head. So type it down in the comments. I go through, I read all the comments, I reply back to all of them. Tell me now, I am a successful real estate investor. Put that down in the comments. Before we go on with our last tip that you need for owner financing, I want you to start saying this. Say it out loud. Say it with me. Say, I am a successful real estate investor now. And then type it down in the comments. I am a successful real estate investor now. Get out a journal and write it 55 times a day. I am a successful real estate investor now. All right? I want you to be a successful real estate investor. And the first step to doing that is to convince your head that you are a successful real estate investor now. So, we have found properties that qualify for owner financing because they're free and clear. And we have made offers. We have presented offers that involve owner financing, because if we don't ask the seller to owner finance the property to us, they're definitely going to say no. All right, and the third thing that we're going to do to find these owner financing deals, because they're not really advertised, the good ones that you're going to buy from Ma and Pa, or the good ones that you're going to get from tired landlords, they're not actually advertised online. This is where you, being a woman and being a successful real estate investor, this is where you have the upper hand, because you're going to be talking to these sellers and building rapport with them. You're going to be establishing friendly relationships with them. They're going to know that you are somebody they can trust with their real estate investing problems, and they're going to want to owner finance you the property because you didn't come across sleazy or cheesy. We have to be a woman that these sellers can confide in. Do you know the amount of sellers out today in hot markets that are inheriting properties either from their parents or from their husbands, but they were passed these properties and they don't know what to do with them? A lot of women are out in your area right here, right now, today, and they've inherited 10 houses, they've inherited a small apartment complex, they've inherited maybe some commercial buildings. Either their parents always took care of it and they were never taught how to do the maintenance on it, how to do the leases on it, how to keep it running, how to cash flow it, how to look at the P&L statement. Or maybe their husband was buying properties and they knew that they had rental houses, but they were so busy, raising the kids and climbing the corporate ladder and being a good wife and mom, they were just so busy that they didn't ever take an interest in their real estate investments. They know they have a portfolio, but they don't know anything about it. And then, y'all, this happens, okay? Because people are people and people pass. It happens every day in every market that a husband passes away and he was the one managing the real estate portfolio. That leaves a woman. She knows she should have money coming in, but she doesn't know who owes her. She doesn't know where they pay, when they pay. She doesn't know how to get new people into those properties. Listen, this is not something that is an old story. This happens all day, every day. And you are a woman trying to help other women. There are women in your market today, even in this hot market, who are inheriting properties, either from their parents or their husband or, somebody is giving them properties in an estate in that generational wealth, and they don't know what to do with it. You can help those women by buying their properties. Maybe they got 10 houses, maybe they got 29 houses. But you can offer them ease of transition. You can offer them monthly income and no headaches. Because a lot of these women are getting these properties and they're already paid off. They're already free and clear. But instead of her trying to figure it all out, you could come in and say, all right, look, I can help you. It looks like you're bringing in this much. What if I give you this much every month and you don't have to worry about anything? You can just do what you need to do to continue on with your life and know that this money is still going to come in. That's the third step. I want you to be a successful real estate investor. I want you to be a woman that other women can count on. I want you to go help women. All right, you want to be a Proverbs 31 woman? Well, she goes to inspect a field and she buys it. But there's a lot of other verses in there that says she helps her other sisters. You are running a business. She may be inheriting a business also at the same time, and she may be trying to keep up with the kids and trying to take care of her parents. And there's so many different ways that you can help these women. Let people know that you prefer buying houses with owner financing. Let people know, let your friends know, let your coworkers know, let your church know. Let people know that you specifically help women with real estate investing problems, and you will be shocked at how many women come find you because you are a woman. You are a successful real estate investor. They already know, like, and trust you. You're going to be surprised at how easy it is to pick up 2 or 3 or 4 owner financing deals a year, if not 10 or 29 owner financing deals a year, just because you are being yourself. You are helping women get real estate deals done. You are finding properties that qualify for owner financing, and you're asking the seller to owner finance the property. Ladies, you are a successful real estate investor. Type that down below. I am a successful real estate investor. Go find women in your market who need you, who need your help, because there are women in your hot market who need your help today. I have a gift for you. I have a training for you. Please, if you're interested in getting more owner financing deals, then I've got other videos to talk about owner financing. But if you're ready to take that next step and you're really ready to know what you're supposed to say in a step-by-step process, you want to know what contracts to fill out, you want to know how to get these deals, you want to know, does this actually make me money? Yes, it does. So I have a free gift for you. I have a training. All you got to do is go to getyourfirstdeal.com. Getyourfirstdeal.com. Drop your email address, drop your name in there, and we will send you a link to a totally free training so that I can help you get your first deal done fast. Ladies, that's the name of the game. Please share this video. Let other people know that owner financing deals are totally possible out in your market, and it doesn't take a ton of them before you've made a ton of money. Don't forget while you're here to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell notification, because YouTube does little crazy things and you're not gonna know that we got new videos out unless you subscribe and hit that bell notification. It's a 2-step process, okay, girls? You have to ask for the owner financing, you have to find deals that qualify for owner financing, and you have to be that successful real estate investor in your head before you can help the women in the market who need your help to be that actual real estate investor. Ladies, I'm here to help you. Please subscribe, please share this video, please drop me comments down below, and go to getyourfirstdeal.com so that I can help you get these deals done fast. Bye, y'all.